Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from FarhatLectures.com. A taxpayer operates in an environment of rising prices or inflation, same thing. Which inventory method will more likely result in the lowest taxable income? So what's happening to our prices? They are going up. And a question like this, here's what you have to tell yourself. Here are the prices. I purchased something for $4, then I purchased something for $5, $6, $7. So what's happening? Prices are going up. Now, if my latest purchase was for $7, I am going to sell, my sale for this item will be at least, $12 because I want to make at least $5 profit. So if that's the case, which method will give you the lowest taxable income? If I want the lowest profit, I want to match it with the 7. I want to expense the 7. So my profit will be 5. So to get the lowest income, I have to match it with the latest LIFO, the latest one, because the latest one was 7. If I used FIFO, which is first in, first out, here's what's going to happen. If I expense the 4, 12 minus 4 equal to 8, it's going to give me higher taxable income. So if I want the lowest taxable income in an inflationary environment, I will choose LIFO. Once again, don't try to memorize those methods. Real quick, jot some numbers down, just what I did, and you can prove it to yourself. So you can verify the math. So the answer is C. What can you do now? If you're using Farhat Lectures, you could use the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and create a similar MCQ to help you practice this concept. Here's what I'm going to tell you. The best investment you can make, whether you are a CPA, enrolled agent, accounting student, is invest in yourself. No one can take that away from you. Go to Farhat Lectures and practice more to be successful in your class and on your professional certification. And God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At FarhatLectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.